this video, I will teach you 5 Excel time savers. This is going to be fun. Let's get started. So here I am in a spreadsheet with a list of fictional employees. And this spreadsheet still needs a lot of work done. Fortunately, these time savers will make it so much easier and quicker for me. Time saver number 1 is Autosum with Alt equals. Let's look at how this works. Let's say I want to quickly add up all of the monthly sales of each individual employee to get a grand total for the entire company. Down here at the bottom of the data in column D, I'll just hold Alt, tap equals, and Autosum is activated. Excel is assuming that I want to add up this range of data, and it's correct. Now all I need to do is tap Enter on the keyboard, and there is the grand total auto-summed. Time saver number 2, double-click the fill handle. Let's say I need a new column, column H, and here in column H, I need to put in the day off for each employee. So I'll click on H1, type in day off, and let's say we start with Monday. John Williams has Tuesday off, Jane Jones has Wednesday, and this is just going to continue in this pattern. To continue the pattern, of course, I could select Wednesday in this case, and then click and hold the click on the little green square in the lower right corner of cell H4. That's the fill handle. With the click held, I can drag down the range of data, making sure I get to the proper place, and then release the mouse button, and all of that information is filled in. So that's nice, but there's a better, faster way. All you really have to do is click on H4, and then double-click on the fill handle, and the autofill is performed for you, all the way down the range of data. Okay, what else do I need to improve about this spreadsheet? Well, I would like to change the formatting for column D. I want these numbers to show up as currency. I could do this the hard way. I could click on column D, for example, and then go up on the Home tab in the number group. I could choose the formatting that I want for this range. Or I could just hold the Control key, hold the Shift key, and tap the $sign button. And the entire column of numbers now gets a $sign and commas to indicate that this is currency. What about percentages? If I hold Control, hold Shift, and tap the % sign, the number formatting is changed to percentage. What about dates? You can hold Control, Shift, and tap the pound sign or hashtag sign. So now the numbers in column D are showing up as dates. Control, Shift, at turns those numbers into times. And Control, Shift, exclamation point turns them into general numbers, but you do see the commas applied there. So with number formats, definitely try Control, Shift, and then either $sign, percentage, pound sign, at, or exclamation point. Time saver number 4, use Control 1 to quickly format cells. In some ways, this is similar to what I just showed. So let's say, for example, I want to draw attention to the commissions earned. I could click on column G, the entire column gets selected, and then I just hold Control and tap the number 1, and I get a Format Cells pop-up. I could certainly switch the number format, let's say to currency, but I could also change the font, making it bigger, making it bold, even changing the color. You can also change the fill color, maybe making it gray, and then click OK, and those changes are all made. So Control 1 is just a bit faster than right-clicking to choose Format Cells, and it's also faster than going up here to the Home tab and using the font group. Time saver number 5 is use Control and Page Up or Page Down to quickly switch between sheets in a workbook. As you can see, I have 2 sheets in this workbook, the one I've been working in, and then there's also a list of each of these time saver tips on sheet number 2. Now, how can I quickly go back and forth? Just hold the Control key and tap Page Up, and it will take you back to a previous tab. Control key and Page Down takes you to the next worksheet or spreadsheet in a workbook. So those are 5 Excel time savers. They should make your use of Excel so much better and more efficient as you implement these great time savers. If you're interested in more time savers, leave a comment below the video, and please share this video with other people that you think would enjoy learning these time savers or need to learn them. In the meantime, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support the channel, the best way to do that is to become a channel member. But you could also click the thanks button below the video. You could support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch, and you'll see information about those options in the description below the video. Speaking of supporting the channel, I want to say thank you to my wonderful Super Techie channel supporters. Thank you so much for the support you give. I really appreciate it.